Mira, venía con este vasito que es el que uso yo porque así ya no tengo que ensuciar un vaso más grande. Además de que el vaso de la licuadora es gigantesco. Este nada más es de medio litro. Viene con otro más larguito que es de 1 litro. Y ya, o sea, para no ensuciarla, pues nada más le pongo este vasito y ya. Este, el vasito, los vasitos venían con su tapa. O sea, ya si te preparas un licuado, ya nada más lo sacas, le pones su tapa y solamente tienes que lavar las aspas. Y ya tienes tu vasito con su tapita. Y el vaso es gigantesco, el vaso es muy grande. Es de 2 litros con 100 mililitros. O sea, fíjate el tamaño. O sea, tan solo el motor está casi del tamaño de la cafetera. Este, el vaso es gigantesco y viene con su botón para que lo levantes y le puedas quitar la tapa. La tapa, por ejemplo, si le olvidaste poner algo, se lo puedes poner por acá mientras la tapa está andando. Este, te digo, el vaso es gigantesco. De hecho, viene con otro vaso que en realidad no es un vaso de licuadora, sino que es una procesadora. O sea, si este es para licuar y este vaso de aquí, déjame se lo quito. Este es la procesadora. Este sirve para, por ejemplo, aquí tiene varios modos: smoothie, frozen y mix. El mix es para la procesadora. O sea, si quieres picar algo, si quieres triturar algo, se ocupa la procesadora. De hecho, las aspas son diferentes. A ver, ahí puedes ver el tamaño entre el vaso y la procesadora. El vaso de la licuadora es más grande. Esto es para iniciarlo y esta de pulse es como, pues sí, como pulsos, como latidos. O sea, nada más le das si quieres como martajar algo o algo así, ¿no? O sea, nada más le aprietas y le das como unos pequeños acelerones al motor para que simplemente lo procese. Y viene con otras cositas, por ejemplo estas navajas. Bueno, estas no son navajas, no tiene la navaja, no tiene el filo. Esto es para hacer masa, se lo pones a la procesadora, le puedes cambiar bien fácil las navajas, le pones esto y esto es para amasar pues masa. Y ya básicamente era con lo que venía, dos vasitos así como estilo Nutribullet, la procesadora, el vaso de la licuadora que es muy grande. Te digo, o sea, fíjate en comparación la diferencia de tamaños.
Okay, I'm doing a video review of this Ninja compact kitchen system. 1200 watts, lots of power. Love everything about it. Everything I put it through, it took care of it. There's only one thing I do not like. It's more of an annoyance, I guess, and maybe it'd be annoyance to any of you. When you wash these lids, for some reason, water gets inside of these lids. I guess they're kind of hollow in here. But you got to shake a bunch of water out. So water gets logged in there. I don't know why, probably through there. Maybe through the seams. Very annoying. And I don't know if, I try to get all the water out. I just washed this one and quite a bit of water came out of there. So I don't know how much water is in there or left in there and drying out and getting moldy maybe. I don't know. Hopefully not. But anyway, other than that one thing about this system, it's freaking powerful. It's a great little system. I don't think you can go wrong with it. I mean, I'm going to keep it. I'll deal with that annoyance, and hopefully mold's not developing inside those lids. Hopefully I got all the water out. Anyway, I give it 4 stars. I give it 5 if it wasn't for that water issue I was talking about. Anyway, peace out, people.
Okay, so somebody else could tell me if this is absolutely ridiculous that I have to wear earmuffs for the blender. my God. That is the longest minute of my life every time I blend something. And if all these machines are the same, I hope to gosh they never get sold again. Somebody please give me some feedback.
So I just wanted to show you this Ninja blender real quick. This thing is powerful and it's amazing. So what it comes with this container right here with the locking lid. It comes with the larger container and locking lid, and then it also comes with an individual smoothie container and an additional mixer, and then also a lid for the smoothie container. So I want to show you real quick just how powerful this is. I'm just going to use the pulse button, and I have ice in here. A couple of quick pulses and you have crushed ice, which is amazing. So I can't wait to try the other functions. It does have the smoothie, frozen, and dough mix. Otherwise, pulse and start and stop options are always available as well. To use the lid, you just press release and lift up. And then to secure it back down, you put the lid down and it clips into place. This thing's amazing. Check out my written review as well for the full list of pros and cons. Thanks.
La licuadora funciona perfectamente bien. Estamos muy contentos con ella. Y por acá guardamos los accesorios y la antigua licuadora, que de hecho sí sirve, pero le faltaba potencia. Aquí está la procesadora y el vaso y el accesorio para hacer masa para galletas, para pizza, etc. Estamos muy contentos. Muy contentos. Buen día.
No work. I just got this yesterday and it didn't work. Like, I already tried with something on it, it's not working. But if I want to use this one is working. You can see only this with a 2 big cup. It's not working. It is what it is.
Nueva Ninja que me llegó. Me la regalaron mis hijos.
I just don't like that it automatically turns off. Like there's no on and off button. It just turns off, but it's still not an issue. But I just wish there was an on and off button. It times out by itself though. It's better than my Magic Bullet. The Magic Bullet just burns a lot and it can't handle a whole lot. But for this one, the Ninja, I use it all the day. I use it to make smoothies. I even use the small plastic smoothie container to make smoothies every day with bananas, fennel, avocado. Works great. No complaints about it. Very durable, as you can see. I've washed it a bunch of times. I take care of my things. And I've had it for, let me see, I think about 8 months, and it still looks brand new. So it's pretty good. I would highly recommend this product.
Wow, I am literally impressed. Like this blender, I thank God I waited for months just to get just the perfect. This is literally exceed my expectation. Look at this. This thing exceed my expectation. And it sticks, it's secure and steady to where, oh my goodness. I have been using the cheap one, but God, I thank God that I waited and I got it perfect one on Black Friday. Oh, I'm about to cook, make some smoothie, make some drinks with this blender. Oh yes, I thank God I waited. It was worth a while.
Stop. This is a good blender.
La caja llegó muy dañada y muy maltratada. Y producto de eso, esto que venía hasta abajo llegó roto. Hasta el momento no me he podido comunicar para que me manden otra. Yo no quiero el reembolso de mi dinero, quiero que me manden otro producto que esté bien.
Ok, una super licuadora ninja. Viene con todito, toditititito. Watchen qué belleza. Tenemos 4 cuarteaduras. Una de esta. Sí, no power.
No, de baja, completo.